Welcome back to the tutorial. We are focusing on the FlatList component. FlatList is a performant and easy to use scrolling list component that works well with large databases and large data sets. It only renders items currently in the view, making it more efficient than scroll view for long lists. And today we will demonstrate how to use FlatList to render a list of items from an array. Let's begin. Okay, now create a FlatList component. And we have to send our resources to the FlatList by data. So let's create our data. We can add key and the value. You can change it if you want. Let me quickly create the other elements. Okay. Next, we will define how each item should be rendered by setting the render item prop. Now return a text component, and inside we will display the items key and value. I'm considering key as the number here. Let's add some more values. It's good if you practice this with different values, different styles. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.